So over here you can see that I have a site and I got a bunch of posts right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and unpublish this particular post that I have right here. If you want to go ahead and do that, you can simply go around onto your dashboard and then go around onto posts right here. Then you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, the second draft post that I want to go ahead and unpublish. I don't want to delete it, I just want to unpublish it. So for that, you need to go ahead and click on the settings right here for the post. And here you can see that the status is published. Simply click on this text right here and then you can see that status and visibility now can be changed. So you can go for pending, private, scheduled and so forth. But let me just go ahead and change it to draft right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and save this out right here, then the post will get reverted back to draft and you get the publish option right here once more. So if I were to go ahead and refresh this, you don't see the post anymore. That is because it has been unpublished, but the post is not deleted, but safely is still there on your draft section. So if I were to go around onto the all post right here, just like this, under the draft section, you can see that I got my second draft post right here that you can go ahead and republish whenever you're ready again. And that is how you can go ahead and unpublish out posts using wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.